Now everyone, first ride of the day is not the Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland as we thought, but this is not bad. This is Heidi I can't say that. This is Heidi the Ride at Plopsaland De Panne. And it's a front row with the GoPro Hero 9 and horizon lock. And that's many coasters. We have a great view going up the first lift hill. Okay, here we go. Heidi! So very nice.
I must say, this is one of my favorites, like wooden coasters.
This, absolutely.
It's so nice.
Absolutely, I really agree.
It's fast, but it's not too fast.
Yeah.
Which I can think that the things we had done earlier.
Yeah, it's a really
fast.
I like that they themed this little last part of it also. Okay, we're back to the station. I think we're gonna go again because this is the queue. So we're gonna make a back row POV with horizon lock for you too.